Now for our featured story, Bitcoin can cross 1 million this year, hit a high of 1.7 million if it continues to follow the 2017 cycle, according to Van Stratton. Let's break this baby down. Also, I wanted to share a couple of tweets. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong was just interviewed on Squawk Box, and quoting him here word for word. I think over time, we will see Bitcoin get into the millions, multiple millions price range. Pretty little bitty going up. Act accordingly. He also, CEO of America's largest Bitcoin exchange, Brian Armstrong, tells the World Economic Forum audience, it is clear at this point, Bitcoin is a better form of money than gold. For a store of value, it is important governments hold Bitcoin over time. Stockpile thy biddy, establish the strategic Bitcoin reserve. What are we waiting for? There's nothing more important, gentlemen, except Free and Ross, two things which haven't been done yet. But I digress. Let's break this down. The FTX collapse may seem like a distant memory. When Bitcoin fell to around 15 Gs back in November of 2022, the sentiment during the period was extreme fear, and the industry never thought it would recover. Well, idiots never thought it would recover. Can't say that here. We've been bullish even through the entire bear. But anyways, just over 2 years later, Bitcoin's now trading above 100,000, 106,000 as of today. The new all-time high was achieved yesterday on Inauguration Day at 109.3. Trump is now officially the 47th president of the United States of America, however, has yet to announce any crypto policies. One of the many discussions around Bitcoin is the 4-year cycle analysis structured around the halving program. Yeah, every year or every 4 years we get the halving. We got it last year, and that was back in April, and the year preceding the halving, we always hit the cycle peak. So the halving cuts supply every 4 years. We tend to see similar cycles play out with huge price appreciation the year after the halving. Precisely. While this current cycle continues to mirror the previous two cycles. And let me know if you witnessed those cycles. So far, Bitcoin's up around 550% from the cycle lows during the FTX collapse. The chart shows that at this point in the current cycle, between the 2015 and 2018 cycles, Bitcoin's price was also up around a similar amount from the cycle low that occurred January 14th of 2015. It's important to note that Glassnode data takes the closing price of the day, which can differ from other trading platforms. And then the green line shows that during the 2018-2022 cycle, at this point in the cycle, Bitcoin was up 1,300%, over double the gain that token has charted till now. So if Bitcoin continues to track the 2015 to 2018 cycle, it would finish at around 1,100% higher from the cycle low at the end of Q1 of this year, putting one Bitcoin at 186,000 per coin. The peak in the cycle would then occur around October of this year at 11,000% higher, putting a cycle top of 1.7 million per biddy. Let me know if you agree or disagree. That's a very advantageous prediction, but nonetheless, that's what the charts say. And there are many other ways to compare this with the previous cycle, such as comparing it with U.S. presidential administrations. According to a post on X by the Bitcoin Archive, Bitcoin went up 20x during the Trump's first term as president. And a return of just 10x would put Bitcoin at 1 million. From here, it's just basic math, and that's why I love Bitcoin at around 100,000. We go up 1%, it's a $1,000 gain. We go up 10%, it's a $10,000 gain. We go up 10x, we're talking a milli, right? We go up 100x, good Lord, somebody pinch me right now. It's going up forever, Laura. JV is hitting it hard every day for his channel, and for us, the least we can do is hit the like and hodl on, brothers. Thank you, Powered by Bitcoin. Greatly appreciate it. I get it. Craven, but it's like him and less for the recent behavior. I used to like him way more and only left crucifying him. I get your point. It's valid, but admit that he should avoid the BS. 1.7 million. Let's get it. Think more like the next halving, bro. So you already know my bull scenario. This is the bull scenario for this year. 1.1 mil, which is practically an 11x. Speaking of 11s, Max Kaiser says, JV, you're too bearish. How about 1.1 million plus 1.1 million? Another 1111 analogy. 2.2 million in play, broskies. We'll leave it at that.